Yeah. Ink spills, religious doctrine kills, spiritualism unable to heal the world's ills. I feel numb as I seal my fate, lungs filled with cigarette smoke and industrial waste. I face the essence of humanity in the destructive present. Mother Nature's lessons fail to be taught. Dictators reduced to nobodies in judicial courts. And of course, great men and civilizations are sworn by new puppets and rising nations. I guess death is resignation of this earthly role. Puberty, manhood, menopause are just barriers or tolls. The truth is untold, mind state is cold. Regardless of the climate, unfold the days of tomorrow where wars are quenched only through new quarrels. A mother's sorrows as the gun crime rate escalates like cases of gang rapes in Pakistan. The past is done, but the future, is it truly bright? Corporations infiltrate every aspect of my life.